Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on what time you're watching me. I know I look a hot mess right now. Okay. I know I look a hot mess right now. Alright guys, let's go and continue this video in my room. So I'm currently in an Airbnb apartment here. I okay. I'm currently in an Airbnb apartment, guys. I got here over a week ago. So I I just decided to take out time to just tend to myself because the stress I went through from Nigeria to get here. I needed that rest. All right, guys. So I've for 1 week I've not vlogged or talked to you guys since I arrived. So I decided to check in. See my new subscribers. Thank you. You're welcome. My OGs. You know I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching me. Continue to watch me. I noticed also that most of the people that watched my video didn't subscribe. Don't like my face. Hey, please, subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Just support me. It's free. Just tap on that subscription button and subscribe. Okay, and also turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified anytime I make a post, because I have a lot of informing videos coming for you guys. Yeah, so like I said, I'm in an Airbnb apartment. Yeah, but I've gone out. I've gone to Service Canada and other offices I need to go to get some documentation done and registrations. I've done that. I'm going to insert that in this video and maybe give you guys an what's that now, apartment tour. I don't know, but yeah, if that comes up fine. If it doesn't, cool. But I've gone out. I'm going to insert the video here for you guys to see, or rather the videos, the city. I went to the downtown some days ago to do all those things. So you guys, I'm going to insert it for you guys to see. Don't worry, you're not gonna miss out, right? I told you guys in this channel you will not miss any gist. And something happened to me yesterday. I'm going to gist you guys. Yeah, all right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and welcome to my channel. After this, I'm going to insert the clips from the downtown view so that you guys will just take a look and see how it is. I also went to Service Canada to get my SIN SIN, that's social insurance number. So it's called SIN here. Yeah, so I went to get that. Got I wasn't able to open a bank account, a lot of things, but yeah, we get to that. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like it. See you. Okay, see you guys soon in my next clip or whatever. I love you guys. So guys, so this is the next day. So I'm leaving this Airbnb apartment today. These are my stuff. Yeah, this is what the parlor looks like, right? So of the living room, rather, that's the walk-in, and has all this going on. I'm already waiting for my ride to leave, so that's why my stuff are here. I love this light. So I'm currently in the basement apartment, but I was upstairs yesterday when I spoke to you guys, but I moved there because I had one more extra day to do and that place was already paid for, so I moved down here, which was the empty room. Yeah, this is what the restroom looks like. You guys, please ignore this my polo. Apparently this is the only thing I can see here to wear. I didn't come with so much outfit. So there's a mirror here. It's actually cute. I don't know. This is what this place looks like. Wow, let me admire myself. I'm going to come back and talk to you guys in front of this mirror because wow, it's so pretty. And my hair is giving. Okay guys, let's go to the room. This room is so dark right now. Okay, yeah, ignore, I already messed up the whole place. uh this is the TV, this is like the mini dressing area, and this is like the wardrobe, and I think that's it. Promised you guys a tour, but I don't know if I'm doing justice to this. Yeah, but anyways, please manage. I've never seen someone do a room tour with the room scattered this way. Guys, yep. I just wanted to show you guys just a bit of what this place looks like, that's all. And yeah, okay guys, so we are back to this mirror that I love so much, and the lighting here is crazy. I really love it. Really love it so much. You guys must be tired of seeing this polo, but who cares? My hair is giving, my skin is cooperating in this country, and alright guys, I shall catch up with you guys.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page. But I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance.
Okay, go.
Possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
You did well. Guys, I made oha soup. Like, it tastes nice. Forget the color. The taste is amazing. So I'm about to make my curry right now. I bought these things for the super store for. Who would think this is oha soup? This Oyibo man land. First time eating dry oha. It looks like bitter leaf soup, but it tastes so good. Like, I came prepared. You already know. Like, it looks so good. Sorry, it looks good like bitter leaf, but it's oha inside, dried oha, but it tastes absolutely. This thing $1, some $1.05. Yep. Okay. What are we having today? Some jollof rice. Like, guys, you have to taste it. Gosh, you have to taste this. Like, it tastes amazing. And see the pot of rice here. Like,
they call me bad girl. They call me bad girl. I can't no more pretend. Yeah, you scatter my defense. Let's do things for the end. Swear you go like me. Can I be your girl? That friend when I relent. Doing all the things that you liking. My temperature rising. You be my king, I don't need no rules. This a love song, I don't need no blues. You be my sugar, I don't need no juice. Baby, loving you is a must, yeah. What have I done, boy, I have no clue. From a distance, I am feeling groove. Steady on the ground, I've been making moves. Cause I want satisfy you, yeah. Cause you're my medicine, boy. Cause you're my remedy, oh. When you wake up for morning, yeah, I could be by your side. Boy, we can never go wrong. Me no go use your body play, oh. No go use you do this run. Oh, domina no go do town. You know what you want, need no other. Nobody else can take your throne. Whenever you need, call my phone. I be your superwoman. You be my king, I don't need no rules. This a love song, I don't need no blues. You be my sugar, I don't need no juice. Baby, loving you is a must, yeah. What have I done, boy, I have no clue. From a distance, I am feeling groove. Steady on the ground, I've been making moves. Cause I want satisfy you, yeah. Cause you're my medicine, boy. Cause you're my remedy, oh. When you wake up for morning, yeah, I could be by your side.
I'm rolling on your wheel now. I'm drinking Hennessy now. I hope you see now. Say you don't scatter my plans, you don't scatter my plans. See my eye, I don't pass you. You put me for ambulance. Now I don't lose my mind. Now I don't lose my mind. Now I know ya. Now I know you lie. Now I know you lie. Now I know, cause the doctor said I burned my liver. Cause I've been drinking, smoking cigar. Used to sing and play my guitar. Now I'm lost in this and beside. Everything I do, everything where you talk I do, everything where you talk I do, but you still bust my eyeglass, you still scatter my plans, and you put me for ambulance, for ambulance, and look what you made me do, look what you made me do, baby. God save me please, God save me please. Your love give me plenty trouble.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad and the chick made the brag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad and the chick made the brag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad and the chick made the brag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad and the chick made the brag.
Overdose me, your love they overdose me. Now you, I want to love you. I think I fall overloading. I'll be overloading your bed account. Money plenty, tell me the amount. Don't tell me love it tastes like this. Got my money in my pocket like this. Bitcoin in my wallet like this. Wisdom in my knowledge like I follow God, I know they follow mine. For you, I'm around to consider taking photographs, and if it's signed by me, then it's an autograph. Overdose me, now they overdose me. Now you, I want me love you. I think of for your love overloading. I'll be overloading your bank account. Money plenty.
So guys, coconut and corn. Very soft too. It's too hot. I like to devour this. And guys, please, I noticed that a lot of you are watching my video but you're not subscribing. Is that, what is it that I'm doing wrong? Tell me in the comment section. Like, just tell me, talk to me. I'm a very friendly person, so just tell me that thing that I'm doing wrong that you don't like. So I need to know. I want to know what I'm doing wrong that you don't like, that is making you not to subscribe to my channel. Guys, please subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, okay? Just support me, okay? Let's get this milestone off. Like, let's just family grow, okay? So please, if you're not subscribed and you're watching me, subscribe. There's something I'm doing that I don't like. Tell me in this comment. So please subscribe and like this video, okay? You might get more people that need it, that want to move to Canada, and I have a lot of videos that will help them, okay? So I love you. I know that you've subscribed.